Okay, so draining my oil right now. Oh yeah, there's my K&N oil filter. That slow drip, baby. Okay, so here I am trying to clean it up. Oh, fucking hell! Here comes this Hubert Gilmore with his cane. He's a fucking wild man. Bless it. Anyway, trying to tighten up my shit here, and I didn't have it adjusted the right way, so I had to fix my ratchet there. There we go. Tighten that bitch up. Okay, wiping that baby down here. I'll clean that shit up, you know. It's pretty greasy. It's pretty greasy under there. There's my K&N filter. So now I'm getting ready to add my oil. That's a cardboard funnel. Thank you very much. That's right. I'm a creative motherfucker. Thanks. Here's my fucking hearts because I'm a unicorn, bitch. Give it a minute. Okay, so that just about does it. So, I got me a K&N oil filter, and then I'll look at my air filter and see what it looks like. It's probably pretty bad, so we'll change it. But anyway, there we go.